Hi folks, Brian Kane from the pole barn of Bad Decisions and Broken Dreams, where the coffee's always hot. Nope. Will it ever be hot? Will it ever stay hot? I don't know. But, in my humble opinion, you should go into your kitchen, make yourself up a fresh cup of hot coffee, sit back, put your feet up, relax, and enjoy the videos. Thanks, and have a good day. Hi folks, Brian from the pole barn of Bad Decisions and Broken Dreams. We're going to take a little break from the 66 Nova project and work on something a little bit different. We had a next door neighbor break his XB23 Kubota lawn tractor. He's got a backhoe on it, and he broke his backhoe bucket. So he tore it up pretty good. So we're going to take it apart, we're going to repair it, we're going to put it back on and see how that works. So sit back, relax, get yourself a fresh cup of coffee, and enjoy the repair of the XB23 Kubota tractor backhoe bucket. Thanks.
We broke out the plasma torch to cut out the cross tube that holds the two sides of the bucket together. Next, the grinder comes out to clean up all of the slag, straighten all the edges, and clean up the edges for welding. Then the pin adapters need to be removed and any metal we can't save.
next thing we needed to do was cut all of the bent metal out and cut the pieces that hold the pins. And then we welded new metal back into the bucket. The new metal was welded in on both the inside and the outside. We've got the tie-in tube tacked in and ready for welding.
Here I am welding back in the attaching pin adapters, making sure that the pins are aligned, straight, and loose. When going back onto the Kubota, those pins need to be a little bit loose so they fit through the bosses on the Kubota tractor. Admittedly, we were a little hasty with the painting. It could have been much better. You see the nub welded on one side of the bucket. We'll be grinding that off, grinding it flat, sanding off all of the runs and drips, and putting another coat of paint on there so it looks nice.
Hi folks, Brian from the pole barn of Bad Decisions and Broken Dreams, where the coffee... I don't even have any and it's not even hot. It's never hot. But anyways, just wanted to take a second and thank you for stopping in and enjoying the videos. If you have a moment, please like and subscribe. This allows us to upload more videos. I'm really having a wonderful time making these videos for y'all. So until next time, thanks and have a good day.